Good morning, students. I am Navunila, and today I am going to teach you Alice in Wonderland. You all heard about Alice in Wonderland, I guess. It is a famous movie, and it is written by Lewis Carroll, and he is a famous writer. Okay, so if you yet not watched the movie, please go and watch it. It is a wonderful movie. You will enjoy it thoroughly. Okay, so let's start with our lesson Alice in Wonderland. One day, Alice was lying under a tree listening to her sister reading a story. So one day, Alice is a little girl, and she is lying under a tree with her sister and listening to a story her sister is reading from a book. Suddenly, she saw a white rabbit scamper by. He had pink eyes and was wearing a blue coat. He took out a big watch from his waistcoat pocket, and as he hurried away, he said, "Oh dear, I will be too late." So, the rabbit is a bit different, right? The rabbit has pink eyes and it is wearing a blue coat, and it also carries a watch. Does every rabbit carry a watch? No, but this rabbit is carrying a watch, and he sees the watch and says, "Oh dear, I'll be late." She thought there was something very different about this rabbit. It could talk, it wore a red waistcoat, and it carried a watch. Alice wondered. A talking rabbit? A rabbit who wears a waistcoat? Alice was burning with curiosity. She follows the rabbit. She follows the white rabbit. Okay. So what Alice is talking about, that she's wondered. She's very much curious. She never saw a rabbit wearing a waistcoat. She never saw a rabbit talking. She never saw a rabbit carrying a watch. So she is very wondered, and she starts following the rabbit. Okay, and the rabbit is running, and the Alice is running behind the rabbit. Okay, the rabbit started running, and Alice followed the rabbit. The rabbit suddenly popped into a large rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. Okay. So what she is doing? The rabbit is running and running and running, and Alice is following the rabbit. And the rabbit suddenly jumps into a rabbit hole. Do you know what is a rabbit hole? A rabbit hole is a hole in the soil where the rabbits live. Okay. Rabbit's house or rabbit's home is called rabbit hole. Alice jumped into the rabbit hole too. Behind the rabbit, Alice also jumps into the rabbit hole. The rabbit went down and down and down and down into the rabbit hole. So the rabbit falls down and down and down, far down in the rabbit hole. Alice said aloud, "Where am I? How many miles down I have fallen?" So what is Alice saying? Alice is shouting, "Where am I?" She does not know the place. The place is completely unknown to her, and she falls miles and miles down. "I must be getting somewhere near the center of the earth," she wondered. "Will I slip through the earth to the other side?" So what she says, that she fell down and so far down that she thought that she is at the center of the earth, at the middle of the earth. Okay, and she will slip through the soil and will go to the another world, another magical world. Okay, she's wondering, she's very much curious. Where is she? Thump! Alice landed on a pile of dry leaves. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit again. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late it's getting." So suddenly she falls on a pile of dry leaves, and what is the sound of it? Thump. She looked around quickly and suddenly saw the white rabbit. So she quickly looks around her and suddenly saw there is the white rabbit. It disappeared, saying, "Oh, my ears and whiskers." So suddenly Alice sees the rabbit, and the rabbit says, "Oh, my ears and whiskers, how late I'm getting." So the rabbit is getting late, and he's saying it. The rabbit is running somewhere, right? But we don't know where is the rabbit running. So what is the rabbit saying? "Oh, my ears and whiskers, I'm going late, I'm running late, I have to hurry up." Okay, but we don't know, neither Alice knows where the rabbit is going. Alice stood up and saw a small door about 15 inches high. It was too small for her to go through. She saw a glass table with a golden key on it. So, what Alice sees? That there is a small hole, small 15 inches door is there. Okay, so 15 inches means so small. Okay, and Alice is bigger than 15 inches, so she cannot go through the door. But she sees that there is a table which is made of glass. Okay, glass, and there is a golden key on the table. She tried the golden key in the lock, and to her delight it fitted. So she tried the golden key in the lock of the small 15-inch door, and to her delight she's wondered that it fits properly. Alice opened the door and looked into the loveliest garden she had ever seen. So what she sees by opening the door? That there is a wonderful garden, there is a heavenly garden. She never saw such a wonderful garden. Okay, how she longed to be among those beds of bright flowers and those cool fountains. She cannot go through because the door is very much small, but she can see through the door. Okay, and she sees there is wonderful fountain, wonderful flowers. It seems like the bed, flowered bed, the wonderful lovely garden. She wants to go there, but she cannot go through because she is taller than the 15 inches door. But she could not even get her head through the doorway. The head of Alice cannot go through even. So how can her body? Okay. Oh, how I wish I could become smaller, she exclaimed loudly. So what she says? She wishes that if she would have been smaller, she could have gone through the 15 inches door, and she could have enjoyed the wonderful garden, the wonderful flower bed, and the wonderful fountain. She wishes to become smaller. Okay, so this was Alice in Wonderland, the story of Alice in Wonderland, and it is adopted from the story, the long story of Lewis Carroll. There is a movie, I have already told you, and there is some word meanings which I am explaining, and the exercise will be discussed in your live classes. Okay, so scamper, the rabbit scampers. Okay, what is the meaning of scamper? Scamper means running and jumping. Okay, what is the rabbit doing? The rabbit is scampering, so the running and jumping. There is another word, hurried. Hurried means rapid. Rapid means fast. R-A-P-I-D. Rapid means fast. The rabbit is in hurry. The rabbit is in out of time. Okay. Third one is popped. Popped means flip. Flip. To flip. Okay. The rabbit suddenly pops into the rabbit hole, right? So flip down the rabbit hole. Okay. Fourth one is disappear. Disappeared means vanish. Vanish. Okay, I cannot see you. You are disappearing. Means you are vanished. Okay. Whiskers means cat's mustache. You all know mustache. Okay. So what is a mustache? You all know beard and mustache, which our father or grandfathers have in this portion of their mouth. Okay, mustache. Okay, so you can see that you all know that cats and dogs have small mustaches, right? So cat's mustache is called whisker. Okay, so these all are 5 to 6 word meanings for you, and this is very easy chapter. I hope you have understand my explanation of this chapter, and I will provide you all the worksheets in proper time, and the exercise of this chapter will be discussed and will be done in online live classes. So be safe in your home, and bye bye.